Welcome to the Vitamin Chica channel. Today we're going to be talking about our digestive health, specifically digestive enzymes. These enzymes break down the food in our body so we can absorb the nutrients more efficiently. So I think that digestive health is really important, and so does an ancient Greek physician named Hippocrates when he said that all disease begins in the gut. That's why I thought it was important that we talked about digestive health today. I'm going to go over 5 specific digestive enzymes, talk about what it does in our body, what natural foods we can get them from, and also how we can supplement with some dietary supplements. Now, let's get into these enzymes. The first enzyme we're going to talk about is called protease. Protease is an enzyme that's found in the pancreas and in the stomach. Its function is to break down protein into smaller fragments called peptides, and then that gets broken down into even smaller fragment called amino acids that can be easily absorbed by our bodies. Another enzyme is amylase. Amylase is found in our pancreas and in our salivary glands. So that means we have amylase enzyme in our spit. And so their function is to break down carbohydrates into simple sugars. That means that amylase help us digest starchy foods like potato and pasta. Another important enzyme is lipase. Lipase is produced primarily in the pancreas, but found in small amounts in your mouth and your stomach. Lipase's function is to break down fats so your intestines can absorb that fat. It also helps break down the fat so your body can use fat as energy. So people with gallbladder issues or that had their gallbladder removed might want to supplement with some lipase because the bile stored in the gallbladder that's passed to the small intestines to break down fat is no longer there. So supplementing with lipase can help your body break down the fats that the bile no longer can do. The next enzyme is called lactase. Lactase is produced by cells that line the small intestine. And their function is to break down the lactose, which lactose is the sugar found in milk. So most people that you hear say that they're lactose intolerant, it's because they don't have enough lactase enzymes. And that's why the lactose intolerance, maybe they can have a little bit of dairy, but just not a lot. It's just based on how much lactase enzymes they produce. And sometimes they've drank milk or cheese or ice cream their whole life, and then all of a sudden they just can't digest it anymore. And that's just because their body stopped producing that lactase enzyme that they need to break down the lactose in the milk. The last enzyme is called cellulase. Cellulase is not produced in our body at all. That's why we can't digest certain dietary fibers. But doesn't mean that we don't need those non-digestible fibers because those fibers actually promote water absorption in our intestines and prevent constipation and things like that. But if you want to supplement with cellulase, cellulase actually breaks down the cellulose. So the cellulose are the hard cell walls on a lot of fruits and vegetables. So it breaks down the cellulose in those fruits and vegetables into glucose that we can use for energy. So some foods that are rich in enzymes are pineapple and papaya are high in protease, mangoes, bananas are high in amylase, avocado is high in lipase, but all fermented foods are really high in all enzymes. So fermented foods, I'm talking about sauerkraut, kimchi, or miso. Now I want to discuss some dietary supplements that can help you if you want to supplement with some enzymes. For those people that are lactose intolerant, this chewable tablet called Lactaid is a miracle worker. It has that enzyme lactase and it helps you digest any dairy. All you have to do is chew one tablet right before you eat that pizza or ice cream or other dairy product you're eating, and it'll stop those stomach discomforts. The next supplement is from Reflex Nutrition, Digeszyme. Digeszyme is a clinically studied trademark ingredient and is a proprietary blend of 5 enzymes. Actually, the 5 enzymes we spoke about today. And you just take one capsule and it helps speed up the digestive process and help your digestive health. The last supplement we're going to talk about today is Enzymatica's VeggieGest capsule. This is a combination of 12 different enzymes, and 4 of those enzymes are a thorough blend clinically studied trademark. That means that it's effective over a broad range of pHs. I like this capsule because it's vegan friendly and also with the large variety of enzymes, it's great for your overall digestive health. So, if you like this episode, please comment below, like, subscribe, and I'm here every week with a new health and wellness topic. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. I'll have all the product links down below, and that's it from me, the Vitamin Chica.